right. Hey, gang. Got another one for you. So I have a bunch of these TP-Link switches throughout my house, HS200s, HS220s. Anyway, got a room upstairs that we are doing some rentals to. The actual light switch, we purposely moved outside the room. And then we have some French doors. We enter the room. But what we wanted to do is have another switch in the room, but we didn't want to install another, wall outlet, another casa, etc. So instead, what I did was built this XIAO base ESP32 power button, remote power button that's runs in basically low power mode pretty much all of the time, and essentially, it is in deep sleep, and push the button, wakes up, powers on. It basically sends a command to the casa switch just outside the wall, turns the light on or off, and then goes back to sleep. Figure I get about 700 or so days of power because it runs at about 30 microamps. Here's some more information on it. And here's the modeled light switch. So let's just give you some different views of that. So give you an idea of dimensions. So total height is about 20 millimeters high, 67 millimeters long, 42 and change wide. Inside this, and I'll show you in a second, basically there's a push button beneath that, and then the XIAO and the XIAO and the LiPo are in here. So let me just go to clear view on those so you can get an idea of what they look like. So basically it's modeled to fit. That guy's the battery, that's the XIAO. USB-C port access on the back to charge the battery, and then really simple, just the switch is wired to pull the XIAO high. So normally it's in deep sleep mode, and pushing the button will essentially pull one of the GPIOs high, power up the unit, turn on or off the light depending on its current state, and within 5 seconds go back to sleep. So pretty simple stuff, and that's about it. Okay, go back to color mode. So this guy just sort of snaps in. Give you an idea of how that fits. Show you underneath it. So it's got a little lip inside there, and it just sort of snaps in, slides in, and then snaps on top to close itself up. The push button has a printed cap, and it'll be glued to the bottom, and then I'll be using probably some just foam to secure these two so they don't have to be glued in, and then I'll probably end up gluing on a separate piece in here. I didn't actually print it, but gluing on a piece to sort of hold the whole battery unit from sliding in and out when the USB-C is plugged in. So I do have to also secure the back of the XIAO as well. So I'll figure that out after. Didn't want to print something with too many overhangs and make it complicated. I just wanted an open shell inside there for these things to fit into. Yeah, that's it.